Hello! Welcome to your online English lessons again. I hope you are doing great. In the last video, we studied the simple present of the verb to be. Today, we are going to proceed with the verb to be, but this time in personal information. How to give personal information about people using the verb to be. How to ask questions in English. What are the WH questions that we use in English? Let's get started and discover more about personal information in English. Who is he? Who is he? Who is this person? He is Leonel Missi. He is 33 years old. He's an athlete. He's an athlete. He's from Argentina. So these are some information about Leonel Missi. His name, his age, his occupation or his job, and the country he's from. So which question I need to ask, or what are the questions I need to ask to have these answers? The first question, who is he? He's Leonel Missi. Second question, how old is he? He's 33 years old. So here we are asking about the age. And in the first question, we are asking about the name. Now, what is his occupation or what is his job? He's an athlete or a football player. He's from Argentina. Question, where is he from? Which country he comes from? He is from Argentina. Alright, let's move to the next person or the next celebrity. Yes, who is this girl? She's Shakira. She's 43 years old. She's a singer. She's from Colombia. Question number 1. Who is she? Question number 2. How old is she? Question number 3. What is her occupation? Question number 4. Where is she from? Next, who are these people? They are Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. They are 57 and 45 years old. They are actors. They are from the United States. Question number 1. To get answer number 1. Who are they? Or you can simply say, who are these people? Who are they? They are Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. Question number 2. How old are they? Remember, this is plural, unlike the previous examples. With Shakira and Leonel Missi was just the second person singular, is. Here we are using are, alright? Because we are talking about more than one person, 2 people here, plural. And this is what we studied in the last video, the conjugation of the verb to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, you are, they are, we are. So, they are Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. They are 57 and 45 years old. Brad Pitt is 57 years old and Angelina Jolie is 45 years old. Alright? So we don't say, sometimes some people, when you ask them how old are you, they say, I have 20. No, I am 20. Or I am 40. Or I am 30. Okay? So we answer with the verb to be, using the verb to be when we give age. Okay? We don't say I have. I am. question. What is their occupation? Okay? What is their occupation? We are talking about two people here. They are actors. Where are they from? They are from the United States of America. Okay? USA means United States of America. Next, WH questions. Now we are going to learn how to ask for personal information using WH questions or question words. Alright? We call them question words or WH questions. So let's discover these WH questions together. So what is the function of WH questions? Function. WH questions ask for information. They cannot be answered with a yes or no. We don't say yes or no when we use WH question. Example. Look at the picture. These are three people. And this girl is asking them, where are you from? So, where is the WH question? Okay? Where are you from? Answer. No, we don't say yes. No. Where are you from? We are from Mexico. Okay? So you answer with the verb to be. Where are you from? I am from Morocco. I am from Switzerland. I am from United Kingdom, for example, from England. So we are from Mexico because here we are talking about two people. We are using the plural. We. Who? WH question who. We use who, not who. Okay, some people pronounce it who. No, it's who. We use who to ask about people. Who are you? Okay. Person. We use this for person, for people. Who is she, for example? So, of course, here we are talking about people, and we use who for people to ask about people. Person. Of course, the person is the singular of people. People is the plural of person, okay? We don't say peoples, by the way. There is no S, because this is an irregular plural. We are going to study plurals later on, all right? We are going to study them later, okay? Next example. Okay, we are going to move to the next example. What? We use what to ask about things, objects, or things. For example, what is your name? Or what's your name? Short form. Remember in the previous video, we studied short form and we studied full form. So what is full form. What is short form. So what is your name? Think, okay? What is your occupation? Also think. So here we don't say who is, no. We are not talking about people, we are talking about think. What is your name? What is your occupation? For example, my name is OUAFAA. I am a high school English teacher. Okay? Next example. Alright? How old is she? Or how old are your brothers? Or how old are you? Okay? So how old is she? We are talking to a girl. We're talking about a girl. She is 20. She is 24, for example. How old are your brothers? They are 50 or they are 15 and 17. Okay? Like the previous examples of Brad Pitt and Angelina Jolie. So we had the same question. How old? To ask for your age. Now we're going to move to contractions. We have already seen contractions in the previous video. We often use contractions, which means apostrophe S, for WH questions with is in speaking and informal writing, the verb to be. First example, where is the mustard? Here is in the picture the mustard that you use in cooking and for fries. So we also say, where is the mustard? Where is the mustard? Or Where's the mustard? What is on TV or what's on TV? Okay, both are correct. What is on TV or what's on TV? Let's practice now. He is a doctor. So the question will be, what is his occupation? What is his occupation? He is a doctor. Now you have clues. You are going to use the clues to ask and answer WH questions. Picture number 1. You have friends. Question: where are they from? They are from France. Picture number 2. Firefighter. What is his occupation? He is a firefighter. Next picture. 17. Here we are talking about... we are going to move to number 3, of course, student. So, who is he? He is a student. And the next, how old is he? He is 17 years old. So you can now see the difference between the WH questions. Where, what, who, and how old. Or how. Now guys, we are going to move to another practice so you can do some exercises at the end of the video to ask questions yourself about personal information. So this is Emma Watson. She's 30 years old. She's an actress. She's from France. Question number 1, who is she? Question number 2, how old is she? Question number 3, what is her occupation? And question number 4, where is she from? So guys, here you have the questions and you have the answers. Now, I'm going to read the answers and ask WH questions yourself. First example, Cristiano Ronaldo. He's an athlete. He's from Portugal. He's 35 years old. So here, I need you to write the questions yourself to learn how to write personal, let's say, questions or personal information questions. Next, Ariana Grande. She's 27 years old. She's from USA. She's a singer. So you give me the questions. Next example, Maher Zain, an R&B singer, songwriter, and music producer. He's from Sweden. He's 39 years old. So I want you here to write the answers with the verb to be and the questions. WH questions, of course. Mario Testino, photographer, Peru, 66 years old. Michelle Obama, USA, lawyer, 56 years old. Now guys, you can write the questions about these celebrities to learn how to write WH questions and how to give personal information about others in English. I hope this video is useful for you. Please feel free to ask me any question. I'll be happy to answer. It's my pleasure to answer you back. Take good care of yourself and see you in the next video.